Okay, let me go through a little bit the most fundamental breathing, what I call it, meditative breath, or precisely 999 Medibreath, cosmic ecosystem. Why cosmic ecosystem? When you breathe, you dive deep down into the innermost consciousness, in alignment with cosmic consciousness, with the field of quantum consciousness. You are connected, just like a cell phone. You are connected with the antenna, connected with the internet. That's all it is. So you start with very basic breathing. And then you put your hands right over here on your lap, and you put a tongue to the up, hot palate. And you lightly close your eyes, and you relax your shoulders. You relax your scalp. You open your scalp, you open your chest, you open your groin, your hips, and listen to yourself in that breath. You sit straight, and you start the very, very beginning of that calm breath. And you breathe in 3 seconds or beyond. 1, 2, 3. Sort of like you see that breathing rhythmic motion, or the energy within the body of that motion, of that qi enter into your body, all that is in the motion. You feel that motion together in oneness. So 1, 2, 3, the wave of the motion. And then you breathe out. You say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. With all that description, how to do it, and then let's start. Okay, now close your eyes, stick your tongue to the up hot palate, thumb touch each other, put it right on the lap. Take a deep breath in, out. In, out. In, out. Okay, so we did 3. You see, 1, 2, 3. It's all breathe in continuously. To breathe in with your nose. Never, never, ever breathe with your mouth. Even you breathe out, still the nose. Because we want to increase the space on your sinus, increase the space in your brain to instigate all the nervous system. It doesn't matter you have cancer, you have dementia, you have Alzheimer's, you have brain issues, you have immune system issues, all that. Open space, let energy flow is always a great thing. And then you breathe out also still through the nose. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we do 9 times. We do 9 repeats. After 9 repeats, what do? We pause. We hold. Not hold like this, but hold with calmness, hold with the space, hold with the relaxation, pause with emptiness. Everything's done. You feel the emptiness of the body. You feel the emptiness of the cells. You feel the emptiness of all the space within. All your channels. 72,000 channels. Billions of cells. Trillions of cells. Billions of billions of billions of atom space. It's all open. That opening is healing. That opening is metaphysical intuition. That opening is open the mind. That opening is connected with the cosmos. Let's do it again. This time we're going to do a little bit deeper, a little bit calmer. Okay? All right, let's go. Put hands over here, right at the lap. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. Stick a tongue to the upper hard palate. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. Pause. In. Out. In. Out. This time, a little bit deeper. In. Out. Okay, if you want to see the whole thing, you can go to the channels, go to Dora Academy, Dora Media, and Shaolin Institute. They all have post some of the breathings.